for you to be there, Dave. I know you've been a huge supporter of European cricket this year. McAfee hasn't actually faced the ball yet. Seen a lot of action. Hasn't been able to take part. Faces up to Asmari, as predicted. Proper cut there. Takes a bit of the fielder, but they will get a run. At least the fielder is able to partially knock it down. Oh, Dave. That's a great idea, saying he's getting there at 2:45. I can tell you the final will start at 8:30 p.m, Dave. Direct hit. The second last game, that's 5 o'clock, Dave. At the Carlton Oval, that's 5 o'clock. And the final will be 8:30. Hit hard and towards the fielder. He does really well. I don't think he ever touches the rope here. I think he's okay. It's Wakas Fatmi. Check it out in the replay. I mean, this will be probably inconclusive on the replay, but I had a pretty good view of it. He gets close to the rope, but I don't think he ever actually touches it by the Spartans. This one's guided away. He'll test the field if he does really well. Get a pick up at least. I'm sure it's only a single. McAfee. It's been a good contest, but Takia, what kind of shapes is he in? I think it's cramp that got him. This is hit with the angle, and it's going to beat the field to 4 runs. Against good effort, Spartans will throw themselves around. If these two get going, you get even more than that. Rico will be back on deck tomorrow morning. As this is hit in the air, and this is also going to travel out of the ground. Maximo. Back-to-back essentially for Golden Star Bond, who are swinging it here. He's punched pretty well away from the field. If he does very well there, Fatmi, to make the stop. Then whistles a throw in. In fact, the batter prevents an overthrow by the ball hitting. Nice cut shot. There's a fielder proud in the air. All happens in the ninth. Here we go. It's up, it's in the air, and it's flying out of the ground. Maximo. Golden Star Bond bringing it here.